Hello folks, Travis here, A to Z Auto Center in Minnesota City, Minnesota, 6940 Martina Road. Got a 2014 Chevy Impala LS. It does have the 4-cylinder, 154,000 miles. Runs, rides, and drives fine. It's got all new spark plugs, new coils, new tires. The brakes are great on it. As you can see, it looks really good. There is a few sap spots in the paint, but nothing terrible. There's no, other than a couple of dings, there's nothing else wrong with this car. Runs, rides, and drives really well. We'll take a peek at the inside here. It's clean and in good condition. It is running. I don't know if you can hear it, but it does run well. Try to show all the features for you. I get a little bit more time in this video. Let me turn down the volume. Don't want to get any copyright problems. Radio does work just fine. There you go. There you go. This car does have 154,000 miles on it. But don't let that bother you. These cars today are built to go a whole lot more than that. And as you can see, it is fairly clean. Take a look under the hood here for you. Maybe then you can hear the engine run. It is quiet, so. It is the 2.5 liter Ecotec, not the oil burning 2.4, so. Clean. Like I say, it's got new coils, new plugs, new oil. Everything's ready to go. It's been serviced. So if you're looking for the new body style Impala, I've got one right here. Like I said, 2014 Chevy Impala, 154,000 miles. I'm asking $79.90 for it. Runs, rides, and drives nice. No known issues. You can see it at A to Z Auto Center in Minnesota City, 6940 Martina Road. If you have any questions, give me a call, 507-474-7660. Or email a2zautoctr@gmail.com. If you want to apply for financing through Marine Credit, go to a2zautoctr.com and use the QR code that's there. I think there might be like a fill-in application also. If not, I've got one here at the office if you don't like using the QR code. So otherwise, nice car. If you have any questions, just give one of those numbers a call. We'll do a quick walk around yet here. Try and get some more time in the video. Sorry, some of these go really quick, but there you have it. Well, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day.